One effective method to speed up our modeling process, especially for creating objects like this potion bottle, involves using curves to outline the object's cross-section or profile. We then utilize the Surface Revolve tool to extend this cross-section around a specific axis, shaping our desired 3D object. Working with curves in Maya can be a bit challenging. That's why many 3D artists prefer creating the object's profile in Illustrator and later import it into Maya for use. In this video, you'll learn the right method to import your design from Illustrator to Maya. This way, you'll be able to create models like this potion bottle much faster. For the first step, simply create a precise cut or profile of your desired object in Illustrator. You can observe that I've drawn each section of this object separately here. Before taking this profile into Maya, you can preview a 3D view of this profile right here in Illustrator. To achieve this, select the desired section and from the menu, navigate to Effect, then 3D and Materials, and choose Revolve. Since I drew the profile on the left side, I need to choose the right edge option here to display the object correctly. Then by clicking and dragging on the center of this manipulator, you can rotate the object to visualize its appearance. Now let's proceed to prepare it for import into Maya. The uppermost part in the top left corner of your artwork is considered the 0 point in the 2D softwares and also serves as the center of your 3D scene. If you want the end of your design to be at the center of the grid in Maya, make sure to place the end of your design in this corner of the artwork. Now by pressing Ctrl-Shift-S, open the Save As window, choose a name for it, and save it with Illustrator version 8. Otherwise, you may encounter an error when importing it into Maya. Alright, now in Maya, go to the Create section in the main menu and click on the icon next to the Adobe Illustrator object to open its option window. Here, ensure that Curves is selected for the Type option, then click on Create and select the Illustrator file. You'll see that our design has been imported into Maya without any issues, and the end of the design is precisely at the center of the grid. Now, select the bottom part and click on this icon in the Surface menu to open the Revolve options. In this window, start by selecting Reset Setting to set the setting back to default. Then in the Output Geometry section, choose the Polygon option. Scroll down a bit, choose Quads for the type, and for the tessellation method, select the General option. For both U-type and V-type, choose the last item, which is per span. Finally, click on Revolve to close the window. Then in the channel box, click on NURBS Tessellate 1 and adjust the U number and V number to achieve your desired subdivision. Afterwards, select all faces of the mesh, hold Shift and right-click, and go to Face Normals, and then select Reverse Normals. Return to Object Mode. With the object selected, go to the Mesh Display menu and choose the Set to Face option. Now you can add or remove edges as needed to achieve the desired shape. You can also press the 3 key to view the object in Smooth Preview mode. Moving on, I'll select the next part, click on Revolve in the Surface menu. I don't need to modify its options as they are already set to the last configuration. Then I'll select the last part, press the G key to repeat the last command, applying it to this section as well. Now I just need to modify the U number and V number again from the NURBS Tessellate section to achieve my desired result. Finally, when you've completed your work, if you wish, you can delete the curves. Thank you everyone and see you in the next video.